Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 26 Gillespie Street. Isn't this home one of the cutest you've seen? It's got a brand new kitchen. Why don't you check that one out? Now for your convenience, bedroom 2 is a good size, maybe a spare bedroom or one for the office, but the front bedroom is air conditioned and has the most gorgeous windows. And at the rear of the home, we've got this generous bedroom that has its own toilet. Well, there you have it, 26 Gillespie Street in Wandal. A gorgeous gable, conveniently located, walking distance to shops, schools, and the Wandal Sporting Precinct. If we can help you own this home, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.